Okay, so basically, yeah, this is right presentation. I have prepared for this one, not for the previous one. So hopefully you'll be enjoying a little bit the same, probably. So this is basically case study. This is about ING business. So how we, as an ING Bank Śląski, how we treat our clients, how we target our clients with digital approach, and what is the result of this agile way of working as well. So this is connected somehow from my previous presentation, for a presentation from Charles Alexander as well, and I think this will be, let's say, follow-up of this previous presentation. So what is our approach of omnichannel platform for corporate client, for SME, mid-corp, and wholesale as well, so bigger clients than only SME. ING Business. This is the name of this platform. ING Business, previously called online, but right now everything is online, so we cut it off. This online part. So this right now is ING Business, and we treat ING Business platform, digital platform, as one entry point for all banking products for all clients, SME, mid-corp, wholesale clients with to ING Bank. So they only need to know one login, one password, one URL address, one application in order to use nearly all of banking products that they have in ING Bank Śląski. What is ING Business basically? We treat it as it is built from, let's say, 3 layers. One, the most important, of course, the heart of application is products layers. We started, of course, with cash management, so standard accounts, payments, products. We added from year to year another products like trade finance, loans, financial markets, leasing, and many, many more. We couldn't put it on the one slide as well. This product layer is covered with a services layer. So we've got in services, we've got whole requests. We've got over 60 types of requests, which are addressing products in ING Business. For example, request for creating new loan, request for creating new guarantee, etc. Request for changing data of the user. We've got communication model, so simple, let's say, mail type communication between client and the bank. And as well, possibility to cover some operations with the client, perform some application of the clients. We've got whole proxy management model in order to perform their own changes in their proxies, in the responsibility, rights of the people who are involved in dealing with the system. We've got electronic signing of agreements as well, so there's possibility to sign nearly all agreements, nearly all documents within application without visiting the branch, without visiting account manager. And these whole layers, these services layers, of course, covered with, let's say, touchpoint layer. So we've got the most important and still the most often used web browser. So this is simple URL dealing with the application. We've got tablet RWD version. We've got mobile native apps addressing iOS and Android platforms. And we've got web service host-to-host possibility to connect directly from ERP system of the client to ING Business ecosystem. And why this is ecosystem? Because this was the first corporate banking designed as an omni-channel from all touch points used by digital users. Like I said, the most important and the most often used is still ING Business, but we see that more and more clients, more and more users, especially CFOs, especially people who are in the rush, in a hurry, often use mobile native apps. Specifically to check account balances, to check history of operations, to check if some operations was performed by their own employees. We've got many people using tablet version, not so many, but some part of people are using tablet versions as well. And we, a few years ago, as the first bank in general in world, as I think, we developed we addressed wearables. So there's possibility to check account balances and the wearable machines as well. Whole ecosystem, whole ING Business was designed as a human-oriented, process-oriented, multi-process as well, scalable, easy supportable, and consistent with ING principles. So these are the main important points that was before our eyes when we designed and created ING Business Platform. And this is omnichannel, like I said. So every user can start process in one channel and end process in another channel. On the other hand, one employee can, for example, enter payment from, for example, in their ERP system, and CFO will accept payments in their mobile native app. So this is still one application. This is omnichannel approach. And what are the most how this really looks in work? So we said, okay, we want to have a system to be easy supportable, easy adaptable. Every customer, every user can adapt system to their own needs. So we developed we ended with dashboards, of course. Every user can adapt system to their own needs. But when we started to analyze how users use our systems, we ended with only two personas needed. One is person responsible for entering the payment, and the second one is person responsible for mostly looking at the account balances, accepting sometimes payments, and this kind of features. Of course, specifically for bigger clients, there is still need to have possibility to let's say build the role. For example, for people working only with trade finance area, working with guarantees, letters of credit, this kind of stuff. But basically, we need only the most important personas. But there needs to be possibility to adapt their own dashboard to their own first login page to their own needs. How we achieve that? Every user can get rid of every widget that you see on the screen and put widget they are interested on the home screen, just like that after a few clicks. Additionally, when you log in, after you log in into ING Business, you can easily switch to another ING bank, ING Group product like Alio platform, factoring, leasing applications. Really simple, just switching from one application to another with single sign-on. About features, we got many features. I could really speak a lot about every group of those products. Our main approach is that every group of products like cards, accounts, payments, trade finance, guarantees, letters of credit have their own dashboard, and people can easily put specific information on their own login page, on their own dashboard screen. In cash management, this is heart of the system. 95% of users use probably only cash management features. So this really needs to look very good, and it really needs to work really smooth. But in general, we've got many features in the cash management area, starting of course from accounts, transfer payments, every type of cards, debit, credit, prepaid deposits, direct debit, cash handling, etc., etc. I will not go deeply into that, but I think every product that we have in this cash management area, we cover it somehow, mostly in the STP processes in ING Business as well. We've got even a direct online acquisition of accounts, so if a client is not still our client, they can easily go to ingbank.pl, they can open the paperless, in 5 minutes filling form process, with agreement signed online. This will be around 1 hour process to really open online account, new account in ING Bank Śląski for SME client. Financing. You can see this is dashboard for financing. For example, this give you the client opportunity to take a look on loan, their loan limit. With next repayment, for example, schedule, with whole applications, for example, for new loan status, with conditions to be fulfilled, etc. And like I said, this widget can be put on the home screen as well. We've got in financing area, we've got as well covered nearly all products that we have in ING Bank, starting from standard loans, ended with pre-scoring offers as well in ING Bank, in ING Business Platform. Same in the trade finance area. We've got starting from guarantees, ending with letters of credits, orders for collection, payment, discount products as well. So like I said, everything we've got here in one platform. Last year developed financial markets model. Revolut is pushing us, counters, online counters as well are pushing us, so we developed as well really nice and smooth and really fancy looking financial markets for exchange model. Clients can have their online currency rates, exchange rates supported by Reuters, provided by Reuters. Just after a few clicks, they can easily exchange data from their own accounts, exchange currencies between their own accounts after a few clicks only. Mobile application, like I said, we are addressing iOS and Android apps. This is mostly used by CFOs, by people who want to check really simple what is their account balance, what there is if the transactions went on their platform, and mostly we are focusing on cash management features in this application. So there is possible to check account balances, to check history of operations, to sign and send transactions, to enter new payments on previously entered data beneficiaries. Of course, there is possibility to exchange money on from the euro, the PLN, and the FX trader model as well. There are some additional functionalities, like, for example, geolocalization at this kind of things. Touch ID, Face ID, these kind of features as well, supported by iOS and Android platform. And what is really important, we are happy that clients really often use this platform. And for example, we see that over one transaction, the biggest one was performed in ING Business, was sent for the 40 million euro through the mobile app. So this is quite impressive. I wouldn't say it. I would send it via mobile app. Okay, so how ING Business evolved? We started like we said, like a payment channel product approach, which with the target to cover nearly all banking products in this platform. From year to year, we added more and more self-service functions, like possibility to, for example, order a cash from the branch, order a convoy, order new cards, this kind of stuff. So right now we've got over 60 applications. A few years ago, we developed electronic signing of agreements of documents in ING Business Platform. And this year, we recently developed another step. We added another features in order to support sales process in ING Business as well. So this is quite natural for retail segment, that there should be some sales features in that. And we are right now in ING Business implementing as well this kind of features. So we will help. We will treat ING Business not only as a service platform, but a sales platform as well. And 2 years ago, this is, let's say, happy case in ING Group, because we successfully moved ING Business Platform to ING Romania as well. So Polish solution, Polish application, Polish platform. With only few changes adapting to Romanian bank needs, was successfully transferred to ING Bank in Romania, and right now migration process is in place. It was established on different back office application than in Poland, but it really looks the same. It works really the same like in ING. And you can see this really looks the same. This is only Romanian language and some smaller changes implemented in this platform as well. Last year we received the Global Finance Award for Digital Bank of Distinction for ING Business Platform in CEE region. This year we received another award from Global Finance for trade finance products in CEE region. But so we are very happy that that our work was appreciated, and this kind of magazine supports our approach as well. So thank you very much